Hello, welcome back to Solution. In today's video on the Lazy Spa St Lucia, I'm going to be introducing to you the CleverSpa Thermal Insulator. Now this is proven apparently to reduce your fuel efficiency costs by up to 50%. So hopefully when we come to review the hot tub temperature in the morning, it should be very, very similar to what it is now. So let's get this unboxed and have a look at it. So the first impression is it comes in a nice vacuum sealed pack, so this will make it nice and easy to store in the winter time when I empty the hot tub out full of its water and winterise it. So I'll put that to the side for a second. Now I bought this for, it was £63 from B&Q. They are coming down in price now. It's currently the end of July 2022. This is 180 centimetre maximum hot tub diameter. So I think the Lazy Spa St Lucia is about 175 centimetres. So it will fit on this one absolutely perfect. What have we got on the back here? So we've got waterproofness up to a hydrostatic head of 3000 millimetres. It's waterproof. We've got a zip off door for hot tubs with external motors, so this is perfect for the St Lucia. It's got a UPF 50 plus factor, so it protects the hot tub and also the cover from extreme weathers, and also a safety clip, so this will actually be able to be clipped in place to keep it secure to the hot tub a lot more efficiently. Very, very simple. At the end of the day, as you can see on the back of here, it reduces the amount of hot tub temperature leakage that you're going to get. So let's pop this to the side. I'll put the hot tub cover back on, we'll open it up and we'll get it all installed. At the moment the hot tub is saying 36 degrees, so we'll see what happens in the morning with the thermal cover on. So in the meantime, let's get the hot tub cover back on. Right, so the hot tub cover is now back on the hot tub. Let's get this vacuum pack unsealed. This should be a case of pull it and it opens up nicely. Now the first thing I notice when I'm unpacking this is that it feels like a nice thick duvet. This isn't a sponsored video, I bought this myself with my money, so if it's a load of rubbish, I'm going to tell you it's a load of rubbish. Now the actual thickness of this feels very consistent throughout the whole blanket really. It doesn't feel thicker on the top. I would like it thicker on the top so the heat doesn't rise out more, but we'll come to that decision later, see how efficient it is. Now we've also got here, we've got the door. It's going to go over the pump area, so throw that. I think it's actually inside out. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so it starts off inside out. Let's turn it back up the right way. And we'll just roll it over nice and easy. Just like that. We'll get the door lined up with the hot tub pump. So this is the door area, so we unzip that. I don't know if that comes off fully. Yeah, it does come off fully, so we'll get rid of that. And as you can see down here, we'll put that down. It's got the clips here, so we'll be able to put that under the pump. And there we have it. The thermal cover covers the hot tub nicely. The St Lucia is covered up with a thermal blanket. It's reading at the moment 35 degrees. In the morning, I'm coming down at about 10 o'clock in the morning, checking the hot tub temperature, and we're getting around about 26 degrees Celsius. So we've got about another 9 degrees to go before the temperature gets down to its coldest point. Hopefully this thermal blanket will help retain a lot of that heat and we shouldn't see it dip below 30 degrees in the morning. Like I said, this is going to be a real world test. If it's a load of rubbish, I'm going to tell you it's a load of rubbish, and I'm going to comment that CleverSpa is a load of rubbish. So fingers crossed it's not a waste of £63. Hopefully we'll be above 30 degrees and in the morning I'll be able to put it on for an hour or so, get it back up to temperature with the thermal cover on, and we'll be able to save some pennies in the long run, because let's face it, we all need to try and save some money in this day and age. Right, so it's now the next day, and as you can see the temperature's dropped by 7 degrees, so let's turn the pump on, drag some of the water through, because at the end of the day the temperature is reading what the temperature is inside of this pump, not actually the pool. So okay, straight away you can see it's starting to drag through some warm water from the hot tub, so it's going up. This is 31, so it's dropped 4 degrees potentially overnight, which is actually quite good. So I'd say that the actual cover does make a good difference, and it's kept the temperature above 30 degrees with a 4 degree drop overnight. So yeah, it's worth buying the thermal cover. And that is one thing you need to bear in mind, that when you actually look at the display on here, initially it shows you the temperature of the water inside the pump. The thermometer is inside of this device, so you do need to press the pump, get the flow of water going back into here from the pool, and then it will give you a good reading of what the temperature is, rather than the actual static temperature of the water inside here. So yeah, 31 degrees, it's dropped 4 degrees overnight. I'm pretty happy with that. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more spa tips and tricks on the Lazy Spa series.